This is a brand new 2014 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 6.2-liter V8. Features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, voice activation technology, xenon headlights, leather seats, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Thank you for considering Thompson Sales for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We have been serving the Springfield area since 1919. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1555 East Independence Street, just off the James River Freeway. We look forward to serving you.